Hey guys, I'm back. It's another video. Well, no, I'm making another video today. So today, I'm gonna show you my little cute dogs. Dun 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 dun! They are so cute. So, if you see a bigger dog, a larger dog, it's gonna be Rosie. She has a little white spot on her head, and then there's Louie, a little smaller.
Is Gianna upstairs?
Gaze. The dogs. Hey, Lou, guys, it's okay.
Did you lock the balcony?
I only couldn't reach the top thing. I have 3 locks on it.
Okay.
Wait. Yeah. Okay. So, I'm going to show you Rosie. Rosie, come here. Come here. Come here. So, this is my Rosie. No. This is Rosie. Oh, Lou. Oh, Lou's kissing me. No, Louie. This is Louie. It's little Lou. Oh, little Lou. Okay. Here, Louie. No, Lou. It's Louie. You got a good look. Okay, for that second. Okay, so this is Rosie. Rosie. Look, Rosie. Oh, she's crying. Sorry. Okay. These are my dogs. Little dog. My other dog? Well, my other dog is at my nanny's, my mom's house right now. I'll show you. Not now, but yes, I will show you. Well, let's look at little Rosie. Hi, Rosie. So they love the outside. They're a little wet because, well, it's actually basically pouring out my house. It's basically pouring out there. Let's go out. Brace yourselves. Here. Hold on. Gotta take you off for a sec. Okay, we're back on. So, I am... Oh my gosh. Look at my pool. It's like literally... If you saw that... It is just so... Well, droppy. Well, it's just really raining really hard, so you can tell how hard it's raining from the thing. Oh, Lou, little cute Louis. No, my finger. Lou. I didn't get Lou, I got my hair instead. Okay. Rosie was just interested with the water. Okay, put you off for a sec. Okay, back on. I'm inside now. Okay, I'm inside, and I guess that's all for our video today. So I want to say goodbye. Lou would like to say goodbye, right, Lou? Bye. Bye. Oh, okay. Bye.